Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text to DaVinci Resolve. Once you are on this edit button at the third one at the bottom, you select your video and then you go ahead and go on effects. Now once you are on effects, you want to go ahead to titles right there. If you don't see it, just click this button. And now you have a lot of options here. Right lower third, background reveal, digital glitch, and so on and so forth. As you can see, there's a lot of effects for the text. And you can drag it down like so, and it will basically appear. Let's drag it this one too. So as you can see, once you drag it, it scales up like so. If you want to add just a simple text, you scroll down and you just click subtitle and drag it down. But for today, let's use the scale up. If you want to edit, you want to go ahead and click on inspector. And here you can edit the text. So for example, let's write down hello. Let's write it down just like so. And now you can change the font to anything you like. Make it bold or light, change the size, tracking, color, and position. So left to right are, this is for the effect. But basically, if you want to change the position, you go to settings right there. And here you can change the position by changing these things. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.